the new mantra on 2nd January 2023 is the bulls have the backing but bears have the gears. So that's the new mantra of the new year as of now. Welcome to Nifty Pre Open analysis on the 2nd January 2023. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. And we are having a very great support at 17,816, and 18,068 is a great support for the market as of now. 18,068 is not pierced. That means that we are still in the support zone. So the support zone is clearly backing the market. However, there was a huge downturn. This was a piercing candle, and it was more than 50% of this previous candle, and this is a sign of negativity. That's a bit of concern. However, that itself is not a concern because the support is as of now showing a good hold for the market. Nifty has actually held this resistance for two candles here and one candle as support here, second candle as support, third candle as support, and fourth candle as support, and fifth candle maybe today we may be back from the support levels to the higher levels, and the northern territory, single way ticket to the northern territory towards the higher range of Bollinger Band, again towards 18,887 levels, which is the highest, is probably on the cards for Nifty as of now. So the new mantra, as I already said, bulls have the backing but the bears have all the gears to turn. So the bears are actually showing that the market can go down. Here also on this particular day of 27th December, the market went all the way down. The market was down almost about 200 or 300 points, but we closed in positive. So the bulls are backing the market very well. However, bears are not behind. They are ready to turn the gears whenever the bulls actually rise their head enough. So that being said, that's the Nifty pre-open analysis as of now. Where are the supports? Supports are at 18,068 levels. A great support was at 18,159 levels. However, that support is gone as of now on this particular Friday, where the market actually went downwards. So the 18,159 will be a resistance as of now, and 18,200 and 18,270 will be resistances, and the support is at 18,068 levels and 18,000 levels and 17,900 levels and 17,816 levels, 17,800. All those are the supports as of now. So as I already mentioned, resistances are at 18,159, 18,200, 18,270 and 18,322 and 18,400. 18,427 levels are where the resistances are currently placed. So those are the supports and resistances. If you just follow these supports and resistances, you will very easily be on a clear path towards making good amounts of profits in the Nifty markets. Nifty futures is where you can actually play your cards. So S&P 500 was 9 points down on Friday, and Nasdaq was down by 11 points, and Dow Jones was down by 73 points. So not a big downside on the markets. However, the SGX Nifty, which is the Singapore Nifty, is actually showing a bit of downturn in today's market, somewhere around 50 points down in the opening. So we may see that the Nifty may slide towards the downside, that is the south side, and it can be gripped by the bears for quite some time until we reach the level of 18,070 levels, where we may actually see the support giving the great backup and the market may swing higher from there onwards. That's the Nifty pre-open analysis for today, and if you like this, please click the heart and afterwards share it with all the knowledge needies. Don't forget to subscribe to Exotic Investment. This is Ashok Kumar signing off. Happy trading and happy money making.